Good morning, class. Okay, today I have a very interesting class for you. We're going to learn how to solve one-step equations using inverse operations. Here's your lesson objective for today. So you will solve one-step addition and subtraction equations using inverse operations. Okay, I'm going to show you that in a minute, but first I want you to look at a short, interesting video. Pay attention to it so you can have a better understanding, okay? So let's watch this video.
In this video, I'm going to cover how to solve addition and subtraction one-step equations. And a one-step equation is just what it sounds like. We'll need to do one step in order to solve these equations. Now, you may be able to solve some or all of these using mental math, but we're going to go through these using a process. Knowing and understanding this process will help solve equations that are more complex and or they won't be able to be solved using mental math. So at the top of the screen is a very important note. We need to isolate the variable, which means get it by itself, by using the inverse operation. Inverse operation means opposite operation. And we have to remember to keep everything balanced. So let's see exactly what that means as we go through our 4 examples here, starting with number 1, where we have x minus 4 equals 7. X is our variable that we need to isolate, and we are subtracting 4 from x. So the inverse or opposite operation would be to add 4. So let's add 4 to that side. That way the 4's cancel out. So we have a subtraction of 4 and an addition of 4. So those 4's cancel out. But remember, keep everything balanced. So whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So let's add 4 to the other side as well. So the 4's on the left cancel each other out, leaving x by itself. We isolated that variable. Now 7 plus 4 on the right will give us 11. So x equals 11. And we can double check that we have the correct answer by plugging the 11 back into the equation. So 11 minus 4 equals 7, which is true. So we have the correct answer there. X equals 11. Now number 2, we have an equation there that looks a little different than number 1 because we have the 15 on the left and then the m minus 11, the variable, on the right. Although it looks a little different, it's the same exact process. So we need to isolate the variable, the m. We are subtracting 11. So what's the opposite of subtracting 11? Well, adding 11. So let's add 11 to that side. That way those 11's cancel out and the m is left by itself. Now, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So m is by itself, and 15 plus 11, well, that equals 26. So m equals 26, and we'll plug back in to see if that's true. So 15 equals 26 minus 11, which is true. And you can think of these equations like balancing a scale. Both sides need to be exactly equal. So on the left we have 15, and 26 minus 11 equals 15 as well. So both sides are exactly equal. On to number 3, where we have g plus 13 equals 19. So we need to isolate the g, the variable. We are adding 13, so the opposite of adding 13 would be subtracting 13. That way those 13's cancel out. But remember, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other. So subtract 13 from the right, that 19 over there. G is now isolated, and we have 19 minus 13, which gives us 6. So G equals 6, and we'll plug back in. 6 plus 13 equals 19. So that's true, and we have the correct answer.
Okay, class, as you watch all the video, we are going to do some more here on my board so you can have a better understanding of these. Look up here. What number makes this operation true? We're going to find the missing number. In this case, x is the unknown number. I'm gonna show you how to find the value of x. To find the unknown number, we have to subtract 7 from both sides. Okay, so let's subtract 7 from here and 7 from here. 7 plus, these are going to cancel out, so 15 minus 7 is 8. Let's prove this. We're going to, so the value of the unknown number, or the x, is 8. We're going to put a right here instead of the x. A plus 7 equals 15. Right? So what was the missing number? Number 8. Okay, let's do a subtraction now. Y minus 2 equal 5. This is a subtraction, so we're going to use addition to find the missing number. Okay, so we're going to add 2 to both sides. Cancel. 5 plus 2 is 7. So the value of y is 7. We're going to put 7 in the place of the y. 7 minus 2 equal 5. Right? So the missing number was 7. As you can see, we can use subtraction to solve addition. And we can use addition to solve a subtraction equation. See, this is how they are related. Okay, now I think you understand this. I'm going to pass out some worksheets for you to work on. I have the worksheets here. You're going to solve these one-step equations. So there you go. Go ahead and work on these equations as I show you on the board. And I'm here to help you. Let me know if you need any help. I'm going to be walking around, checking your work, and to see if you have any questions, okay? So go ahead and do that. Great, yeah, that one is correct. You're following every step by step. Great job. Good, you're doing good too. Excellent. Okay, I see that all of you got this, all of you understood this. So to finish the class, I'm just going to ask you 2 questions, okay? So tell me, what operation helps us to solve an addition equation? Okay, let me say it one more time for you. What operation helps us to solve an addition equation? Yeah, you're right, subtraction. Very good. And what operation helps us to solve a subtraction equation? Yes, addition. Very good. Great job. You all did great. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.